Welcome to Mott Factory. This week I will explain you about our service platforms. As Mott engineers, most of us have field experience, so it's very important for us to get opinions and recommendations of our operator colleagues to further develop our products. A user-friendly and safe service platform is essential for smooth operations in aquaculture and public aquariums. A well-designed and safe platform provides safe access to the aquaculture process unit and ensures the overall functionality of the farm. Now I'm with our mechanical production manager, Korat. Korat, can you tell us about the advantages of our service platforms?
Of course, Çağdaş. Mott service platforms gives us the advantages of easy and safe, regular daily inspections, cleaning and debris removal, repair and replacement. Mott service platforms are possible to design and manufacture for each type of process unit with different heights and sizes. Service platforms are made of GRP and polymer materials to make sure they lifetime corrosion free. Anti-slip measures taken in the working area. Load capacities are adjustable depending on the request. Also, design modifications are possible for compliance with local safety standards.
Thanks, Korat. Compared to catwalks and working platforms attached on site structure, Mott service platforms are designed to mount on the equipment for a smaller footprint and quick installation. Thanks for watching us.